Have you ever heard that saying, if you know, you know? Well, today, this is exactly it. We're going to be replacing our classic Porsche 911 964 engine fan air duct. Before we get started, if you haven't, click that subscribe button to help support my channel. If you've ever had ownership of a classic air-cooled Porsche, you or one of the previous owners has replaced this engine fan air duct before. These fan ducts are notorious to crack and fall apart, so let's remove and replace this air duct. To remove an old air duct, we will need to remove 3 10mm screws. But first, to save some frustration from pulling out the air duct, loosen the rear blower motor by removing the top 10mm screw. Please excuse my big head from blocking the view. Sometimes it's hard to shoot and work at the same time in these tight places. Now we can remove the 3 10mm screws on the air duct. I have my assistant helping me today, so we should get the job done faster. After removing the screws, pull the air duct out. All the parts you see will be in the links in the description box down below. Now, when you put the new air duct back in, make sure you slide it over the engine cover and its 2 tabs deep inside. Now tighten back down those 3 10mm screws with the new air duct. It'll help if you push the back of the air duct while screwing in the screws to keep the air duct nice and tight. Now, it's time to put the 10mm screw back into the rear blower. Then, we're going to put the blower outlet back into the air duct. Make sure the blower outlet is securely in place and the air duct is sealed around it. There you have it. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to help support my channel. This is not a sponsored video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget, keep leveling up.